As we get approach to the Samsung Galaxy S23 release date, there are more and more rumors swirling in anticipation for what may be an early February Samsung Unpacked event. Despite its low megapixel count, the front-facing camera of the S23 Ultra will be better than that of the S22 Ultra, according to new information. The tipster stated that the S23 Ultra's 12-megapixel front camera would have a Pro mode and dual-pixel technology. In addition, the new sensor will improve low-light performance and night vision. In short, despite the reduction of megapixels, the leak says that overall camera quality will be greater. It should be emphasized that megapixels are not everything when it comes to camera performance, thus this seems to be a sensible move on Samsung's behalf. Today, Qualcomm formally announced it to the public, which will be utilized by Samsung on the S23 Ultra and other Android manufacturers in their high-end Android phones. However, the satellite connectivity on the S23 Ultra is superior than that of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Here's why. Because the iPhone 14 only enables one-way communication, you can only utilize the capability for SOS apps. However, Qualcomm's satellite function offers two-way communication, which means that you may use it for normal messaging as well as emergency scenarios, making it the world's first satellite communication to do so. To prevent congestion, Qualcomm enables 160-character texts to a predefined list of contacts. This is in contrast to Apple's method, which does not enable you to create your own messages or choose the recipients. As a result, Qualcomm's approach is much superior than Apple's. Even though Samsung produced these two screens, they could have given the S23 Ultra a superior display if they wanted to. Perhaps the newly revealed Ultimate Bonker Ultra Dynamic Range smartphone display with 2000 nits brightness, but more significantly the Ultra Dynamic Range, would have made the S23 Ultra totally untouchable. We'll surely see a Samsung flagship with this new display tag, but it won't be the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Maybe they took this choice to have the greatest battery life, but whatever they did, they let Apple win. The display will still be incredibly stunning, with low bezels and, of course, no dynamic notch or anything. It will be one of the first in the market to offer Gorilla Glass Victor 2 protection, which means it will have even greater drop test protection in addition to that protective aluminum frame. So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.